Class 10 children, today we will learn chapter 18 mode. In the last 2-3 videos we have learned mean and median. So today we are going to learn mode. So what is mode? Mode, the value of largest frequency is called mode. So I will explain the definition with the help of an example. Example 1, find mode. So you have to find the mode of the given data, the given table. Here the x variable is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And frequency is 1, 4, 7, 5, 9, 3. So you have to find the mode of this given data. Now solution. As you can see, the question was given in horizontal form. I have written the solution in vertical form. Now this x variable we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here same x variable in the vertical form 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Frequency 1, 4, 7, 5, 9, 3. Same here 1, 4, 7, 5, 9, 3. Now you can see here mode is 14. Now how mode is 14? Now you can see in the frequency column which is the biggest or largest number? The largest number is 9. And what is the value in the x column for 9? The value is 14. That means frequency's highest value is 9 and its value is 14. That means 14 is our answer. 9 is not our answer. 14 is our answer. Because the definition says value of largest frequency. Largest frequency is 9 and its value is 14. So I hope you understood the definition now. So value of largest frequency is called mode. The largest frequency is 9 and the value is 14. Example 2. Find modal marks. Actually it was only mode, but here the observation is in the form of marks. So that's why I did not write mode, but I wrote modal marks. But meaning is same. That means they are asking us to find the mode of given marks. So in technical way we write modal marks, but it is mode only. Now marks like 10 marks, 8 marks, 15 marks, 5 marks, 12 marks, 6 marks, and number of students like 10 marks, how many students got? 5. 8 marks, 7 students got. 15 marks, how many students? 6, and so on. Now I wrote the same table in the vertical form. Now marks, as the first column is also called x variable, so I wrote x symbol here, and same marks 10, 8, 15, 5, 12, 6. Same I wrote here. Number of students, actually number of anything, number of students, number of people, number of animals, number of anything is called frequency, f. Here directly question gave f, but here I am writing the symbol f by myself. So this is number of anything is called frequency. Same 5, 7, 6, same thing I wrote here. Now you can see which is the largest value or biggest value in frequency. The biggest value is 7. So what is the value of 7? 8 marks. So our modal marks will be 8 because the value of largest frequency is 7, its value is 8. So 8 is our answer. So one more thing I want to say, children. In median, while any x variable or marks, when we write in ascending order. But in mode, we need not write in the ascending order. We can just copy down the question in exactly what the form it is. Means we need not write in ascending order. But I want to remind you, while finding median, we have to write these marks in the ascending order. So that's it, children. Please learn these 2 examples and then do the homeworks that I have given. Thank you, children.